Fathom Enterprise Marketing Analytics Hub Pricing explained what you get for your money. Fathom Enterprise Marketing Analytics Hub is designed to give organizations deep insights into their website and marketing performance while ensuring privacy and compliance. Most people get this wrong. They think Fathom is just a simple analytics tool, but the enterprise plan offers advanced reporting, multiple sites tracking, and team collaboration features. Pricing is custom and depends on the number of sites, monthly traffic, and features like white label reporting or priority support. Enterprise users benefit from unlimited sites, enterprise-grade security, and dedicated account management, making it ideal for agencies or large marketing teams. Key features include real-time traffic insights, campaign attribution, goal tracking, conversion metrics, and customizable dashboards. Marketing teams can measure the effectiveness of multiple campaigns, understand user behavior, and optimize website performance without compromising data privacy. The main advantage is privacy-focused insights. Unlike traditional analytics platforms, Fathom allows enterprises to comply with global data privacy regulations while still getting actionable performance data. Teams can make faster decisions, optimize campaigns, and improve ROI across channels. In conclusion, Fathom Enterprise Marketing Analytics Hub pricing reflects the value of a platform built for privacy-conscious, high-performing marketing teams. For organizations aiming to track performance across multiple sites, optimize campaigns, and maintain compliance, this plan delivers the analytics, features, and support needed to succeed.